Now I know you're not gonna be watching this whole video, so I'm only going to name a few of my favorite channels and you'll find the rest of them linked below. There's gonna be a whole bunch of them. But before you go and click away, let me just say, if you're ever going to use one of these songs, please credit the artist. It's the least you can do. And before we get into the channels, let me quickly give you a tip, or an idea rather. You could organize all the songs you like into a sort of a library. I'm using my Notes app for that, OneNote. This way you have all of your songs tagged, easily accessible and searchable, all in one place. And at the same time, you can skim through the song and decide whether you want to use it or not. And now for the channels. Bass Rebels. I like this channel because, well, I'm a bass head. And this channel has a bunch of chill hop and trap songs. Audio Library, music for creators. This channel has a whole lot of great music. There's all kinds of different genres. And most importantly, the songs don't sound cheap. Yeah, they do sound copyright free, but they don't sound cheap. They also have a second channel, Music for Creators, which follows the same theme. Breaking Copyright. This channel has a good variety of music, and the best part is they are nicely categorized. You can search by genre, mood, instrument, video type, etc. Vlog, no copyright music. It has nice thumbnails and a good selection of high quality music. The genres range from electronic to chill hop, to pop, to instrumental, and a bunch of them in between. Frequency. I feel that this channel is underrated and has a bunch of high quality stuff. Their songs are mostly electronic and EDM. Also, they've got bangers. Heroboard. This channel follows an indie and kind of futuristic vibe, as you can see by the thumbnails. Music just for you. I like this one because it has very nice thumbnails. The music is neatly curated and it follows a nice solid theme. No copyright beats. Because I like beats. I feel that beats are a nice background music, although there's not much of them on this channel. It's also worth noting that YouTube has its own library that seems to be getting bigger and bigger, so you could definitely find some cool tracks there. And that's it.